This video will guide you through the process of paying for your Edrolo resources. Before we begin, please note an important reminder for both parents and students. All payments must be made through the student's Edrolo account. We currently do not offer separate parent accounts for payment, so you will need to use your student's login details to proceed. To get started, go to the Edrolo homepage and click Login using the student's school email address and password. Once you are logged into the dashboard, look for the red Pay Now button at the top of the page. Click this button to enter the payment portal. Once inside the portal, please review the listed resources. You'll want to ensure that they align correctly with the subjects the student is enrolled in for the year. If your school has subscribed to optional print textbooks, here you will see the option to add these to your purchase. Simply select the books you need and then click the blue Save and Continue button at the bottom of the page. If you have selected print textbooks that are delivered directly to your home, you will now be prompted to enter in your shipping address details. Finally, enter in your credit or debit card details and then select Place Order. When the pop-up comes up, click Confirm and Submit. Once the transaction is complete, a receipt will automatically be sent to the email address that is used to log into the student's Edrolo account. And now you're all set!